One of our family traditions for the holidays is to have bacon wrapped cream cheese chicken roll-ups. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So I'm starting with some chicken. We have cream cheese, the original recipe calls for chopped chives, but I usually use chopped green onion, some butter, and then just so I wasn't cross-contaminating things, I put some salt and pepper in a dish and mixed it up. And a pound of bacon. So let's get started. Okay, so I've got some saran wrap here. So I like to put the chicken breast on top of the saran wrap with another piece of saran wrap over the top of that. And then you just pound it until it's thin. And because this one is so large, I'm going to butterfly it. Just putting this piece of saran wrap over top of it just keeps it from splattering all over. Okay, this is also a large portion, so I'm butterflying this before I pound it. And I had to microwave, I had to thaw it in the microwave. You can see it got a little cooked there. Okay, I've already made 3 that I'm not going to wrap in bacon. I've made sure to have all of my ingredients out, and so that I don't have to go into the original packaging, I guess is what I'm trying to say, to get like all of the, instead of getting all of the bacon contaminated with chicken, I've just pulled out about 8 slices, and if I need more I can always wash my hands and get more. So I'm putting salt and pepper on the inside. I'm putting some green onions. I'm putting some butter. I'm just doing it with my fingers. And same for the cream cheese. You can cut off some pieces, but I'm in a hurry. I'm trying to get this done. And then you roll it up, tuck it in so that And if there's a better way to do this, I'm open to suggestions, but this is just how I do it. And then because they're pretty large portions, it usually takes a couple of pieces of bacon to wrap around it. So, and then that will go into a 9x13 baking pan. And I'll do these others up, and then these will bake at 350 degrees. And I'll have to tell you after they come out how long they baked for, because I'm not sure. And then when I'm done, I'm not going to reuse this salt and pepper since I've had my chicken fingers in it. And so I'm going to use up all these green onions here. Same for the butter and the cream cheese. If I end up with more left, I'm just going to toss it. And made out about right. So not much is going to go to waste. These are ready for the oven. I did 3 without bacon and 5 with, and so I'm just going to cover them and put them in a 350 degree oven. And I'll probably check them in 30 minutes. We're having twice baked potatoes with the stuffed chicken, the cream cheese stuffed chicken. And so I'm just going to put some cheese over the top of those and put them back in the oven to continue baking. Okay, I just put some cheese on those. They're going back in the oven. These cooked for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then I broiled the top so that the bacon would cook. So here you have bacon wrapped cream cheese chicken roll-ups. So here you have cream cheese. So here you have bacon wrapped cream cheese chicken roll-ups.
Good.